How to integrate Wix with Zapier for automation. So when you try to search for Zapier on your Wix app store, you should be able to see no results for this one. That means that you can connect Wix through the Zapier itself. So what we can do is we can head over right here to the apps. And then from in there, we can actually install in here our Wix. You can see in here our Wix right here. Head over and then click on this Wix option. And then from in there, just head over and then click on this add connection. So I have previously made it already, but if you haven't yet, just click on this add connection right here. And then just choose the site you want to use. For me, I'll head over and choose in here this VM store. Head over and click on the select option right here. And then once you have done that, click on this agree and add option. And then this will actually load and this will add this connection. As you can see, this connection has now been added. You just need to head over and then create the Zap. So in order to do that, let's head over and then just click on the three dots. You can also reconnect it or test connection if you want to. So for this one, let's click on this create in the above and then click on the Zap, tables, interface, or anything that you want to use for Zapier for this one. So for example, if you want to create a Zap, you can head over and click on this create Zaps. And then from in there, you can just head over and edit the Zap that you have right now, set the trigger, the action, and everything that you want for this case. So for example, let's put in here this Shopify, or you can also put in here some webhooks, Google Docs in here. And then just put in here this one, having here the event. And then you can also add in here the action that will actually make it once it's been triggered. And then from there, you can head over and then just make this as usual. You can create action if you want to in here as well. Then once you're done with that, you can just head over and then just click on this publish option. So that's how you integrate Wix with Zapier for automation. Hope we help.